Good morning, Blackpool Pleasure Beach today. The first ever time here, so it should be really interesting. It's not a theme park, it's an amusement park, so very different to probably what you're normally used to, but we're gonna have a good day. Got lots of rides, hopefully loads of rides on Icon because it's amazing. It's gonna be fun. It's crawling. What are your first thoughts of your first ever sort of true British amusement park?
ADHD nightmare.
There's a lot going on. It is kind of sensory overload, but then look at that view. You would never get a view like that in any other park but this. It's insane.
It is sexy.
It is. What'd you think? I love it. She's slow this morning.
It's slow, yeah. It's funny.
It is quite a funny layout, but
it's
I
like
love it.
Okay, so don't get it the wrong way, but it's like a monorail with really good moments, and
that's rude.
No, in the sense that it's a scenic ride. Like, I don't mean it in a bad way. Like,
yeah, I suppose I know what you mean. It's got great hang time though, but it does speed up a lot, and the back row makes a difference. But
I want to get in the
back row makes a difference. We'll go do that now. Back row on that thing's so good. I love it.
Yeah, way better.
Icon's just a very hard coaster not to love. I don't know. It's just it's like cute. So likable. Yeah, it is. It's like a really cool, cute launch coaster.
Yeah,
but
it's warming up.
It will warm up. Yeah, back row's definitely better, but back row at the end of the day you will love, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Cool music, but even cooler ride. I can't wait to get back on Big Dipper. 101 years old this year, and it is amazing. 101 years old. Big Dipper, it's fantastic.
Yeah, for its age, it's good.
To be fair, that was riding quite well. I've had much worse rides on that, but after it's like full, well, kind of full retrack and refurbishment for its 100th birthday, it's fantastic. Yeah, the airtime's great.
Is it?
Yes.
To be fair, I was the bigger one, so I was tabled.
No, it's so fun.
Good. What did you guys think?
What did you think? It was a little
terrible.
I like it. It's a little bit more rapid than last time, but I thought it was good.
It's smoother than most other boxing coasters I bought.
Yeah, it was way smoother than the one at Park afterwards, though. Way smoother.
Was it though?
Yeah. What do you think of Revolution?
It's good.
It's so forceful.
It is forceful. You gotta know how to ride it, though.
Yeah, you do. Cling on for dear life and don't have your head back. But that's fun. Are we doing anything next or is it lunch?
Or lunch.
Lunch.
Yeah. So,
my ass hurts.
It was fun.
It
was
horrible.
really, really fun.
The seats hurt you so much on the turns.
I wouldn't lap it, but still, it was really fun in my opinion.
Glad Arrow don't exist anymore.
Oh!
We just rode Blue Flyer. That was an experience. Tiny little woody was funny. We're going to go on Nick Street now. Much better. What do you think of Nick Street? Very old coaster again.
I don't like these rides.
I liked it.
I liked it.
Very floaty.
Yeah, very floaty. The seats really help with being very, very padded, but yeah, it's okay. What do we do now? Another ride. Could do Fusion. Whoa.
Grand National.
See what? Yeah, probably Grand National. We'll see what we get on. What do you think?
That was so much fun.
I love it. It's great.
I love it.
After the retrack you had a few years ago, it's running fantastic now. It's probably one of the best rides I've had on it. It was brilliant. You didn't like it?
Too many woodies, man! Come on!
Appreciate the history.
What history? I brought this?
No, of classic good wooden coasters. Are you excited to ride probably the prettiest SLC in the world? Because it's nice looking, but just by far the best, not the best SLC in the world.
Need the cred.
Correct. That's my new most hated coaster, I think. It's horrific. Look how red my ears are. That hurts so much, like jackhammering everywhere. You can see it in the track. Look where the rust on the transitions. The pieces of track aren't connected to each other. Please destroy this ride. Burn it. I'll attend the ceremony if they decide to blow it up. Please. Been on Icon again on the back road. That was fantastic. We're about to go on the Zamperla air race thing. Is that what it's called? Zamperla air race? Or is it Skyfly? Is it even Zamperla? Gerstlauer, never mind. Gerstlauer Skyfly. I'm thinking of the complete wrong ride. But yeah, we're about to go on there. Just wanted to say with Icon and the Enzo situation, because it's only running one train at the moment. Enzo was such a bad decision for this park in my opinion. It completely reduces the capacity of the ride. We turned maybe 30 people into a half-hour wait just because of Enzo. It's just shocking how bad they have to wait for it. Either get rid of it or put it on 2 trains, please. It really needs to change for the future operations of this park because it's just not good. Okay, Skyflies are really fun. I really like that. I only got about, I think, 5 or 6 spins because it was quite difficult, but the wind definitely helped. But oh, I'm gonna get some more spins next time we go on that. I loved it. We're gonna go back on Icon now, then probably Ghost Train, and I think finish with Valhalla. What do you think of Ghost Train?
I don't like what loud noises.
I was going to say, there's a lot of jump scares in there. It's so cool. It's such a classic. I love it. Valhalla was very wet. It's so good though, isn't it? The theming's so good in there. It's been popped off with that ride, and we're very, very wet. Yeah. So that was Pleasure Beach. Done. Everything done apart from big one, annoyingly. Because it was closed all day because of the wind, but we had a great day. Valhalla, Icon to finish it off. Good combo. Oh yeah. Thoughts on the park in general? It's not amusement parks. Not. I don't know. It's a very British amusement park. Not something you've ever done before.
I like it. I like the history of it. It's like a museum where you can ride roller coasters.
Yeah, that's pretty good actually.
That's a good point. Yeah, I would personally say that while I appreciate the history, it's not my type of park, as you know.
Yeah, I can understand that. It's very British. No, it is. It's like typical British amusement park, but done very well.
A lot of charm, though.
Yeah, the history of the rides is fantastic. I'm glad we got on everything we wanted to, apart from big one.
Yep.
But yeah, end of the trip. That was it. Last park. Don't know when the next vlogs will be. I haven't a clue. Bye.